rational numbers between two rational numbers. Let us try to list the natural numbers between 4 and 7. So as you can see, 5 and 6 are the only two natural numbers between 4 and 7. Now, can you try to find out the natural numbers between 7 and 8? Yes, you are right. There is no natural number between 7 and 8. Now, let us look at the integers that lie between -3 and 2. They are -2, -1, 0 and 1. In the first case, there are two natural numbers between 4 and 7. In the second case, there was no natural number between 7 and 8. In the third case, the count of integers between -3 and 2 is 4. This tells us that there is finite number of natural numbers between any two natural numbers. This is also true for integers. We always have finite number of integers between any two integers. Now, let us look at rational numbers. How many rational numbers are there between 3 by 8 and 7 by 8? You probably will think that the answer is 4 by 8, 5 by 8 and 6 by 8. Now, is it correct to state that there are only 3 rational numbers between 3 by 8 and 7 by 8? No, this is not the correct statement. Let us understand the reason. 3 by 8 can be written as 30 by 80 and 7 by 8 can also be written as 70 by 80. The numbers 31 by 80, 32 by 80, 33 by 80 and so on till 69 by 80 fall between 3 by 8 and 7 by 8. Now, as done above, 3 by 8 and 7 by 8 can also be written as 300 by 800 and 700 by 800 respectively. Therefore, you can observe, unlike natural numbers and integers, there are infinite number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Let us solve some examples. Find any two rational numbers between 3 and 5. Here, 3 can be written as 30 by 10 and 5 as 50 by 10. Thus, we have 31 by 10, 32 by 10, 33 by 10 and so on till 49 by 10 between 30 by 10 and 50 by 10, or we can say between 3 and 5. Any two rational numbers between 3 and 5 are 31 by 10 and 40 by 10. Let us take an example of alternative method. Find a rational number between 2 by 7 and 3 by 4. To find a rational number between two rational numbers by alternative method, we will find the mean of the two given rational numbers. So for this, first, we will find the sum of 2 by 7 and 3 by 4. The sum is 29 by 28. Now, we divide the sum by 2. The result is 29 by 56. So, we can say 29 by 56 lies between 2 by 7 and 3 by 4. Symbolically, we can write for any two rational numbers p and q such that p is less than q, then p is less than p plus q by 2, which is less than q. Or we can say that p plus q by 2 lies between p and q. The rational number p plus q by 2 is called the mean of p and q. Let us consider another example. Find any two rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 5 by 3. As the denominators of these two numbers are different, we will convert them as rational numbers having the same denominator. The LCM of these denominators, that is 4 and 3, is 12. Therefore, we will convert the denominators of both the fractions to 12. As you can see that the equivalent rational numbers have numerators 9 and 20 respectively. Now, the rational numbers between them will be 10 by 12, 11 by 12, and so on till 19 by 12. Therefore, we can take any two rational numbers out of them. So, for instance, we can say that 11 by 12 and 19 by 12 are two rational numbers between 9 by 12 and 20 by 12.